Hey, how's it going? This is Joe and Tell. Today I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Acoustics 3030i's. But first, a quick message from our show sponsor. NAD is known for providing extremely high value products without sacrificing quality. I've heard so many good things about their D3020 V2 amp for those who are starting out and don't want to break the bank. Ron from NRD won't stop raving about his NAD M10.
Oh my gosh.
Right now, they're offering their new D3045 amplifier for $100 off for US and Canadian buyers when you purchase from their website. I'll link down below. This thing provides 60 real watts. It has aptX Bluetooth, coax and optical input, preamp out if you want to use a different amplifier, a subwoofer output, headphone output, a remote control, high-res DAC with MQA support, and HDMI ARC. All you'll need is one HDMI cable from your TV and you'll be able to control your volume using your TV remote. Thank you NAD for sponsoring this video. So Acoustics reached out to me, and they are a UK company, and they wanted me to just take a look at their new Acoustics 3030i's. So I've heard a lot of good things about some previous Acoustics speakers, but I've never gotten a chance to actually hear them for myself. So I'm very excited about this particular review. Right now, this is just an unboxing, but let's take a look and see what these are all about. So these come in a few different colors, and they asked me what I want to take a look at, and I said that graphite gray, of course. Graphite gray, that sounds awesome, right? So let's go ahead and open these up. Thank you, Ming, once again for the Kershaw unboxing knife. Ming is a Patreon supporter, so if you're interested in becoming a Patreon supporter, you can do so at patreon.com/Joe and Tell. Go ahead and open this up. So I have this on this speaker stand right now. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the floor. All right, so the first thing I see here, instruction manual. Okay, so these are pretty hefty here. And there are instructions to not hold it from the front because it's possible to poke out that tweeter. So I never do that anyway. But yeah, it says right there, pull from the sides. Got it. Go ahead and open this up. Man. So this is a very long speaker this way from front to back. On the bottom here, I noticed that there are some rubber feet and looks like a place where you could screw in something. I don't know. We'll take a look at that in a second. So here's the grill. It's magnetic. Put that aside. All right, so right now we are looking at the back of the speaker. Wow. This looks very different from what I'm used to. My wife's over there taking a look. So yeah, they're very long front to back here. And this is the front. Is that shiny? Shiny, okay. Mirror finish. I don't know. Usually I don't really like mirror finish, but I'm going to have to see how that looks. But yeah, this is that graphite gray. And this is... It's chrome. Yeah, so this is a 6.5-inch woofer, and this feels like some kind of lightweight polypropylene, maybe? I don't know. Rubber surround, it feels like. And this all feels like metal. And that looks like a 3/4 of an inch, maybe a 1-inch soft dome tweeter. I'm going to have to take a look. I haven't looked at all the specs on these. And there is the Acoustics logo. So yeah, let me see. Let me take a look at this. Yeah, it looks like a handsome looking speaker. So as you can see, it's rounded on all the edges here, right? There's the bottom that I was talking about, right? So the rubber feet, and then these metal, they have threading in there. So I assume it's for their, for one of their stands. And on the back, these are some very, very different types of terminals. I haven't seen any types that look like this. So we have these terminals here, and it says QED, designed and tested using QED, recommend QED cables. All right. So this is the port here, right? So there's a little bit of a design to the port as well. Very handsome looking speaker in my opinion, and I'm very excited to see how these actually perform. The wife likes the look of these, so I should tell you guys that. And I also noticed that they have these port plugs or port bungs, if you want to call it that. So if you have to put them near a wall, you can actually use these, and they come with them. That's pretty awesome. I like that. All right, so I was in such a rush to actually check these out. I forgot to mention the magnetic grill here. So this is the back, that's the front, and let me show you how they look with them. So there they are with the grill. Wife, what do you think? She likes them. Let me check the retail on these as of right now. All right, I'm actually on the website right now looking at this, and it says it is a 1-inch soft dome tweeter. They have a matching center channel, so that's good. It comes in black, this gray, white, and also walnut. Crossover frequency is at 2.4 kilohertz. They claim a frequency response of 46 hertz to 30 kilohertz. Wow. Minimum impedance is 4 ohms and sensitivity is 88 decibels. These are 13.67 pounds each. So it looks like the pricing on these is $399 a pair. And so this is in that budget category. And there are a lot of speakers right within that price range. So I'm very excited to see how these perform. Heard good things about these speakers. We'll have to wait and see. So wait for my full review of these Acoustics 3030i's. So that's it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And that's it. Take care. Bye-bye.